Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today I have received free beauty products from Influencer and Fenty Beauty and for my honest review. Yeah, I'm really excited. Let's get into that. So today I'm excited to share with you guys. It's my first time receiving a free product, and so yeah, I'm really excited. Let's get into that. This is the new Fenty Beauty soft matte powder and foundation powder foundation. So I received the $390 and the $400. So that's why I'm barefaced, because I need to put on some foundation. And you see I have discoloration on my face, so I wanted to be fair and see how everything turns out. Is how I feel like it would be fair for everybody to give an honest review. Also, I received the Universal Lip Gloss Balm, and it says Fenty Glow on it. I don't know if you can see. Fenty Glow. That's the lip gloss. So I'm going to see. Go ahead and open up. I already kind of decided which color, which would fit me better. And this is what it looks like taking out the box. And you see this is $390, and I think this is more my color, so I'm gonna go in with that. The other one is slight darker, so you open it, and I already kind of played it already. And this is what it looks like. It has the mirror, the foundation. Oh, and it has a sponge that fell. Another mirror, and it comes with the sponge inside. So yeah, let's see how it looks here. Now usually I go in with a heavy foundation just because I like full coverage, but let's see how this looks and see if this is a good one for me here. Also, I already put on my face primer already, so I'll just go ahead and get started with this powder foundation. Okay, this is not Cooper. Now this is buildable. That's the good thing about it. I'm gonna start with this side. Also, shout out to Fenty, because they actually sent in a free ring light as well with these free products. That's really pretty cool. I really appreciate that. Doesn't hurt to have more than one ring light. So yeah, so they had sent us a ring light so we can do a photo shoot. And I will show you those pictures right after this video. So you gotta stay tuned to see those pictures. Okay, so you see this side is not done. And this is the other side. Not too bad, because I didn't think I would be able to. So right now, this is what the foundation is looking like with sunlight. Just wanted to show you, to be fair. I think this shade is a little bit red for my skin tone. It is pretty though. I don't think it's way off, but it's almost there. But I do like foundation, so I'm gonna give it a few more hours and see how this foundation sits on my face. I have oily skin, so we will see what it looks like then, okay? All right, so a couple hours already passed, and I didn't get to compare. I didn't show y'all the other one, the other shade that I had. This is the 390, the one I have on my face. And I have the 400 that they gave me. This is the 400. Let me compare it to you so y'all can see it. This is the 390 I have on, and this is the 400. See, this is a little bit darker, and this is the one I have on right now. So I've only been wearing this foundation for a few hours. I did go ahead and contour and highlight. And I have not oiled up like I thought I would. I don't really use powder foundation, but this is not bad. Not bad, Riri. I like it. So there are like pros and cons to powder foundation. Powder foundation is more sheer when it goes on your face. So like for me, I want something to build, I want to build up just enough to cover my flaws. So if you have perfect skin, hey, go for it. I think it'll be great for you. If you don't have like discoloration or like dark spots, you ain't gonna have no problems. Me, I have to keep going, building up and all that. So, I mean, yeah, it's nice though. I like it. I'm not oily, so I do appreciate it. Nice. Another thing about powder foundation, of course, you might use your brush or the little compact sponge and it might get messy, but makeup get messy anyway. But yeah, and also with powder, you know, you can easily break it. It can fall on the ground and it can just break the foundation. So that's probably another con about powder foundation. And so I don't know, maybe she put me on back to powder foundation. I just need to find the correct shade for me. Also, this is her lip gloss. I put some more on. I really like this foundation a lot. I mean, I like this lip gloss a lot too. It's not real thin like the little cheap dollar store kind. This is some good lip gloss. Plus she has some other lip glosses I would like to try out too. Maybe one day, we'll see. But yeah, if there's any other like powder foundations that you really like, let me know down below. Maybe I'll check it out. On this card here, they mentioned that they have about 50 shades of fast and flawless touch up for full beat, flexible powder foundation for perfect skin on the fly. Mentioned that it's long wear, light as air, no flashback, blur filter complex to deliver the ultimate blurred finish. It says how to, and it says apply your skincare and primer to dry down before applying, and buildable coverage we recommend including the sponge or brush of your choice. The looser the brush, the lighter the coverage. Next time I know to use my sponge, because I never really use powder foundation, so next time I know to use a little compact sponge to just go ahead and just pat it on my face for heavier coverage. So it just took me longer using the brush. So now I know better. Also, yes, that's right. So Fenty, they gave us a ring light, right? To do our own like little photo shoot for their website. So I was really excited about that. I wanted to show you the pictures I came up with. And so here they are. So I was really excited about getting this from Influencer and Fenty Beauty. That was really nice for the ring light and the 3 products. So I really appreciate that. I want to thank you ladies for watching this video. Make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can see my latest videos that will be coming pretty soon. I have more to show you guys, and I'm pretty excited about it. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Bye.